Ever wonder how many calories you should be eating in a day? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to figure out how many calories your body needs in order to function properly and to achieve the physiques you want with 3 easy steps. Coming up. Hey guys, welcome back to Find Your Max channel, where I will be trying to inspire you to start the journey to the best you in physique transformation. Today, I want to quickly show you how to figure out the number of calories you need in your everyday life in 3 easy steps. I promise you it will be super simple. Knowing this small piece of information, it's really crucial in your weight loss journey because since not everyone is the same, you can't simply follow a diet plan that works for others without knowing what your body actually needs in order to function properly. Also, we are looking into long-term success, so knowing this data will help you achieve more in the long run. All right, let's get to it. First thing you will need is to figure out your height, your weight, and your current age. Hop on to a TDEE calculator. You can just Google TDEE calculator. I will link in the one that I'm using for this video in the description down below. Alright guys, if you think the first 2 steps are easy, please let me know in the comment section down below by simply write easy, so I know I'm bringing some value to you. Once you're in the website, choose the imperial or metric of your liking. Enter your gender, height, weight, and age to the field, just to make sure it is in the proper unit of measure. Choose an activity level that most suitable to you and press calculate. After these 3 easy steps, the website will populate a calorie number that you need to sustain your current weight. And this number is also known as TDEE, which stands for Total Daily Energy Expenditure. Alright, so this TDEE number means is in order to keep your body at the current weight, this is the amount of calories that you need to intake on a day-to-day basis. Alright, now you know how to find your TDEE, I would recommend you to watch an interview I did with a personal trainer and a bodybuilder about nutrition. You can check out in the description down below or click on the card now.